Hello students, welcome in chapter 3 matrix. In matrix students, today I going in exercise 3.2 question number 15. Before started 15, today all numerical, it's very lengthy and important for exam level. So be attend here properly. Question 15, find a square minus 5a plus 6i if a given. So first of all students, I find out a square. A square means multiple of a with a. So I write down a square, just a into a. So our a is 2 to 1, 0 1 minus 1 and 1 3 0. Similarly, you can show that 2 to 1, 0 1 minus 1 and 1 3 0, and you start your matrix multiplications this way and that way. I just multiply in the both matrix. So 2 0 1 same as 2 1 3 and last 1 minus 1 with 0, and that process I will write down up to 3 times because I have 3 columns. So the same process write down 2 0 1 2 1 3 and same as 1 minus 1 0, and last time also same write down 2 0 1, similarly 2 1 minus 1 I mean 3 and last 1 minus 1 and 0. Actually students, this is an easy process for matrix multiplications. Now I will put it down these values, these columns I putting here inside the first 2 to 1 2 to 1 2 to 1. Next here this 0 1 minus 1 here attach 0 1 minus 1 same as students 0 1 minus 1 and similarly 0 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 and last 1 3 0 here attach 1 3 0 1 3 0 1 3 0. Finally, you have to total value over that a square and define your first answers. 4, 0 and 1, 5. 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 2 minus 2, 0. That also 0. Now 0, 0 but minus 1. Next 0, here 1, 1 minus 3, minus 2. And 0, 0 and the minus 1. And last ending 2 0 0. It means only students 2. Now 2 plus 3 5 and 0 means 5, and here 1 last 0 1 minus 3 minus 2, and here students your a square is done. Now after that these all values I putting inside and get the answers. Now students, we going in this find out the particular value. Therefore value of a square minus 5a plus 6i, putting down just value a minus 5 with a and 6 with I. A square, this one 590. Next minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 2 5 minus 2. Only put it value. Now students, a value also 2 to 1. Next 0 1 minus 1 and 1 3 0, and last 6i 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0. It means you have to cover this easily. Answer 590 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 2 5 5 inside 10, so 10 10 5 0 5 minus 5 5 15 and 0. Same process 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. Now finally attach after that all values you added here. So these solutions I will cover in the way of this answer. So 5 minus 10 plus 6, 9 minus 10 plus 0 and 0 minus 5 plus 0. Same as second. Minus 1 minus 0 plus 0 minus 2 minus 5 plus 6 and minus 1 plus 5, minus minus plus 5, and last 0, last column. Last column I have 2 minus 5 plus 0, 5 minus 15 plus 0, and minus 2 minus 0 plus 6. In short, your data is covered by the answers. 6 and 5, 11, 11 minus 10, which is 1. Here minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, here total 7 is minus 1, 4, and last minus 3, minus 10, and last will be 4. This answer, just I checked that, and this is your answers over to a square minus 5a plus 6i. 1 minus 1 minus 5, minus 1 minus 1, 4, minus 3, minus 10, and 4. Absolutely correct. Now going ahead to next questions. 17, I mean 16. 16 also IMP, but easy one. Find the value of A if an element is given. Find K if A is equal to 3, 4, minus 2, minus 2, and I for identity 1, 0, 0, 1, and A square is equal to K into A minus 2i. So here also students we coming here A square. This A square it means we divide it into A first. So very easy. A square is A into A. So 3, 4, minus 2 minus 2 into again 3, 4, minus 2 minus 2, and forward going to this row is clockwise. So my answer is 3 minus 2, 4 with minus 2. Similar process I could write down 2 times because I have 2 columns are there. This first column submitting this value, and student this second column elements submitting this one to get the square. So 3, 4 attach that. Next minus 2 minus 2. Say minus 2 minus 2, and answer coming that 9. Say there is a 9. 9 minus 8. 4 is 12. 12 and 4 is 8. It is 4. Next minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. And last here minus 8 plus 4, which is 4 to the 8, minus 8 plus 4, which is minus 4. One more time repeat, 4 to the 12. 12 minus 8, 4. And 9 minus 8, 1. Here minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. And have all values I just submitted in my given equations. And define A square values one by one. Therefore, so A square is equal to Ka minus 2y. A square known, A known, and I also know identity 1, 0, 0, 1. A square is this one, students, 1, 4, minus 2, minus 2. And A is also known, 3, 4, minus 2, minus 2. First of all, K into inside multiply. So 1, 4, minus 2 minus 4, which is 3k, 4k, minus 2k, minus 2k. And here 2, 0, 0. Finally, 1, 4, minus 2 minus 4. Here you will attach your data. So pk minus 2, minus 2k minus 0, 4k minus 0, and last minus 2k minus 2. Check here, both matrix have same type with inequality, so it is a bi-equal matrix. Yes, bi-equal matrix. 1 is equal to 3k minus 2, 4 is equal to 4k, minus 2 is equal to minus 2k, and last you all elements check out one by one and define the value of k a same format. If you see them, your data is correct. Students, k is equal to 1. Here also k is equal to 1. Here also k is equal to 1. And here minus 4 plus 2, which is minus 2. K is equal to 1. Check. All elements are same. If you are not same, then K does not exist. But that is all are same. Therefore, we will write down K is equal to 1 is absolutely. Now continue moving ahead. Question number 18, which is very most ideal for board exam. Yes, many time asking in the exam questions. Question number 18, which is biggest sum. Yes, I think by mistake students, one question is left here. Yes, I just calculate 17. So 16 is left. Sorry, then I start the 16 first. And then after 18, by mistake I forgot that 102, 020 and 213. Then prove that 8 cube minus 6a square 7a plus twice I is equal to 0. And after that I go ahead 18. This is the 17th one. Yes. So I just one more time check 102, 021 and 203. 8 cube minus 6a plus 7a plus twice. Students, here up to 8 cube I calculate. It means first a square defined, after that a cube defined, and that's your answer in the LHS. This is also IOP for example. And biggest sum. Yes, very biggest. First I start a square. A into A, which have to 102, 020, 213 in 102, 020, 213 and go to matrix multiplications. So here you can get the answer easily and very simple. 1, 0, 2. Try to in empty bracket right now without mistakes. You will cover your answer, students. Here you are putting first column elements. Now second same 102, 021 and 203. Last time 1, 0, 2. Similarly, students, here put it your second columns and then similar way third columns here 102, 021 and last 2, 0, 3 and pushing down successfully your values. First column element 102 here apply. Second column element 0 to 0 here written. Last 213 here. 213, 213 and answer. Yes, here answer is 104, 5 total, 0, 0, 2 total, here 0, 6, 6, 7, 8, continue, 0, 0, 0, next 0, 0 but 4, here 0, 0 and 0, and last 0, 3 to the 6, 7, 8, next here 0 but 3 and 2, 5, and last value 2 to the 4, 0 and 3 is a 9, it is 4, 0 and 9 and 14. So that's your only cover to this pattern. Now I will start to process for AQ. So also you will start AQ, which is a square into a square into A2, and then after I will start process for A distribution. I have a square ready 5 to 8, 0, 4, 0, 8, 5, 13, and A I have students 102, 020 and 102, 020 and 213. This is a row wise element product purpose. So AQ is starting very simple. 508. I will show in the empty bracket format. This is an errorless process. 245 and 8, 0, 32. 8, 0, 30. Same students, we write down 3 times. 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, and 8, 0, 30. And third time also write down similarly 5, 0, 8, continue 2, 4 with 5, and 8, 0 with 30. 8, 0. And value put it to column 102. Here put it 102. Similarly, first column 1, 0. Now chance to 0 to 0. Here 0 to 0. Similarly 0 to 0 and 0 to 0. This is a 2 students. And last column I have 2, 1, 3. Yes, here put it 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, and 2. Finally, you get it, your AQ. Yes, 5, 0, 16, 2, 0, 10, 8, 0, 26. Yes, 8, 0, 26. Next, 0, 0, 0. Here, 0, 8, 0, and 0, 0, 0. And last is column. 5 to the chain, 0, and 8 is a 24. 2 to the 4, 4 and 5 is a 50. And last 16, 0 and 13 is a 39. So 8 cube is covered. And the last of 16 and 5, 21, here 12, 26 plus 8, yes, 8 and 6, 14 is 34. And next is 0, 8, 0. And here total 34 students, 4 and 4, 8, 8 and 15, 23. Yes, 8 and 5, 13, 23. And last 39 and 16, total add them is 15, 1, 3, 4 and 5, 55. And that's your answer, AQ. Now I am turning to this way, AQ minus 6a square plus 7, 9 plus 5. And we will do this answer students 0 form. So I will start now my little example solutions. So therefore LHS AQ minus 6 square 7a plus y square, and putting down your legal all values one by one. Already you declare that here this is a square, that AQ, and here also I know. So my AQ data minus 6 a square data plus 7 a, and last twice 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now students, AQ is ready for that. 21, 12, 34, 0 8 0, 34, 23, 55. And now time coming to a square. Okay, this is your a square. 5 to 8, next 0 4 0, and 8 5 13. And a also knows students this one a 1 0 2, 0 2 0, and 2 1 3. Now these calculations we will prove up to 0 matrix. It means all elements need to here in the 0. So the 21 saying 12, 34, 0 8 0, 34, 23, 55. 6 just multiply inside 30. 6 to the 12, 8 6 of 48, 0, 24, 0, 8 6 of 48, 30, and 13 6 6 is 18, 1, 6 to the 6 plus 1, 7. Yes, 18, 1, and 78 also. Yes, correct. Next, 7 multiply 7, 0, 14, 0, 14, 0, 14, 7 to 14. 7 on the 7, and 7 3s are last power 2 productive. Is 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. And now this total calculations 21 minus 30 plus 7, 21 minus 30 plus 7 plus 2. Check, this is 0 total? Definitely. All I have to you can put down in the solutions wise 0 answer comes 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 8 minus 44, 8 minus 44 plus 40 plus 2 and 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Finally one zeros and 34 minus 48, but you dictate the steps because given question prove that you can't direct write down. Okay? Here your all elements used. So I will write down it is 0 matrix. And here your RHS students has been easily done. Now move towards next questions. Moving towards next question, question number 18, which is most likely exam oriented. Yes, 18 is a very most IMP. Prove that for the given matrix I plus A is equal to I minus A into cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. If A given that 0 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 0 and I is given second order matrix. I also given 1 0 0 1 in the 2 cross 2 matrix cos sin minus sin cos 0 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 0. Okay students, first I define I plus A, this one I will just start. So my LHS is I plus A, I known 1 0 0 1 and A also known 0 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 0 and you can just add your theta. Respectively addition, so I plus A ready here 1 plus 0 1 tan alpha by 2 0 minus tan alpha by 2 and last 1 plus 0 1 that should LHS is equal. Now in RHS I want to I minus A also, that I direct right now. So I start my RHS steps. I minus A into cos sin minus sin cos and putting this respective data I minus A. It is students here minus. Here minus. So 1 minus 0 1. 0 minus that it is tan alpha by 2. If 0 minus tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2. And last students 1 minus 0 this one. And these are same as cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. And now you going ahead big to big steps this row and column matrix multiplication. And very slowly I go ahead students, don't worry, it's a very important step coming now. Yes, matrix multiplications. So your first multiple 1 with cos alpha. I think here I write down best way 1 bracket plus tan alpha by 2 bracket. Similarly, minus tan alpha by 2 plus 1 bracket. Just write down 2 times. So 1 bracket tan alpha by 2 and last minus tan alpha by 2 with the 1 bracket. And putting your first column again cos alpha sin alpha. Successfully write down cos alpha sin alpha cos alpha sin alpha. Same column minus sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now you finally turning in this answer 1 cos alpha as it is. I just write down for this definitions expansions. tan alpha by 2, I just write down sin alpha by 2, cos alpha by 2, next 2 sin alpha by 2, cos alpha by 2. And here I just write down the formula in the way of only 2 sin square alpha by 2. So that's why here 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2. Because this after that is equal to. Similarly here, this place first and the last are same, minus minus plus, but here I will show sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 into 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. This process is done. And cos alpha again same write down because here this is a cancel. This cos alpha is a 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2. And here your matrix is. First and last are done. Now I go to here. Minus tan alpha by 2 same is cos write down in terms of tan. 1 minus tan square alpha by 2. 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. And plus sin alpha also we will show in the terms of tan. Yes, then they are simple. So 2 tan alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Now I go into here, this part again. Similarly to that and these are same. So minus 10 sin. So 2 tan alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 plus tan alpha by 2 same. And now cos alpha. Similarly attach the cos alpha in terms of tan. 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. That's how we will LCM. So this are cancel. You have to only know 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2 plus 2 sin square alpha by 2. This cancel. Simple. And here take the LCM. Yes. So minus tan alpha by 2 plus tan cube alpha by 2 plus 2 tan alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square. And this side also similarly LCM taking minus 2 tan alpha by 2 plus tan alpha by 2 minus tan cube alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. And here our process is only 2 sin square alpha by 2 plus 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2. So this data is cancelled. That's why I written first and the last are in the same pattern. Now we check. Remaining you have only here 1. Here also. But that is the like term. 2 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2. Which is tan alpha by 2. Tan cube alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Similarly here students, these are the like terms. Minus 2 plus 1 minus tan alpha by 2 minus tan cube alpha by 2 upon same is 1 plus tan square alpha by 2 and last only. So you just going ahead and the further solutions only here 1. Here common taking students tan alpha by 2 remaining 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. That also see. Actually these are cancelled. Same here students, I will check the common minus tan alpha by 2 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Similarly and here only 1. That also done and cancel there. So what is the remaining students? My remaining data is 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 1 and that is your RHS equal to LHS. Check. This is your LHS no? That answer and this answer are the equal. So end of this sum you will write down this statement is again in the exam. Yes, after their both calculations, LHS equal to RHS, we will show that therefore I plus A is equal to I minus A into our cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Yes, students, after that we have all questions up to 18 questions. I stop this video, students, and is ending this video. Further explanations to 19 questions I explain in the next part. Bye bye.